Okay, before we go to my sample projects and how much I charge, let's go and check how the clients will find you as a freelance lighting designer. So clients looking for lighting designers from around the world would have several avenues to explore. So what are those? So you need to put yourself into online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. If you don't have your own website yet, or if you don't have your own YouTube channel yet, yes, you can place yourself on this kind of platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, because most of the clients go to these sites to find and look for freelancers. Next is specialized design directories. I'm not using this one because I have my own website already. But if you don't have website, go and check this Behance, Dribble, and the Creative Finder. And then put yourself into your social media. Okay, this is very important. I have two Facebook page. One is for my personal and one is for my professional lighting design Facebook page. You should have two. Don't use your personal into your professional Facebook or social media page. It's a no in my opinion. Okay, so your social media will be Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, which is the X now, Facebook, or other social media like bloggers and Pinterest. Okay, so again, create two social media page for your personal and for your professional pages or social media pages. And then industry association events. If you are a lighting designer, go to a lot of events like Light and Design Build in the Middle East. You can have, or you can see some clients there, but make sure that you bring your business card, or you need to associate with them and telling that you are a lighting designer. It's hard, especially because you need to collaborate or you need to speak really to the people. And then design agencies and studios, like for example, you have friends with lighting design consultants or interior designers. Yes, go for them, tell them that you're doing something like freelancing, and if they need something like lighting design, you can offer your services to them. And then online portfolios and website. That's what I have right now. So I have a website, www.enrocolightingdesign.com, and I put my portfolios there. So when people look at my portfolio, they say, oh, Nelka can do a lot of projects like sports lighting, office lighting, retail shops, golf course lighting, and other lighting design projects. So when people or the clients see your portfolio is various, or you have a specialized skills, then they might hire you because they can see your portfolio immediately without even talking to you yet. So if you have budget, go and have your own website already and then put your portfolios there. And if you don't have, then put your portfolio online, like in your social media, LinkedIn, and Twitter or Instagram. Okay. And then the seventh one is word of mouth and recommendation. Right now, one of my colleague in Zoom 12 referred me to one of my clients. And because he knows that I am very good in lighting design. Yeah, he referred me to his client saying that Nelka is very good in this project. Maybe you can consider her to do your project right now. And then the client will call me or send me an email saying you've been recommended by this guy, and he said that you are very good in this kind of project. And then I want you, if you have time, to look at it and do it for me if you consider it. So yes, be friendly with your sales guys, because when you leave the company, maybe they are the person who will help you get projects. Okay, so don't be, you know, be friendly and kind to your colleagues and other people, always. All right, next is design publications and magazines. I have been featured with some blogs and publications, but it's very still not that effective enough for me, because most of my clients are coming from YouTube and from recommendations. So you can check from yourself, where are those clients coming from? How did they find me? So I would say, in my personal experience, that 80% of my clients are coming from YouTube. They found me in YouTube. So if you have the skills on how to create videos, like what I did in this YouTube channel, go and do it yourself as well. This is one of the, I think, most effective way on how to get clients as a freelance lighting designer. Go and create your own YouTube channel now. Even if you are still working as an employee in your company, start building your audience now in YouTube. I think it's where I get the popularity and most of my clients. All right. Next is design competitions. Yeah, I always join the competitions in lighting design, especially for the ILAX competition before. I would say it's still not effective for me because, yeah, like what I said, most of my clients are not from the people who saw me in the competition, but mostly in YouTube and in LinkedIn, and also recommendations. And then collaboration but if it's effective for you, because maybe you won the first prize in the design competition and it's international, maybe they will hire you, because they might consider your design can be possible also on their project. Next, number 10 is collaboration platforms. So that platforms that facilitate collaboration on the project, such as Miro, Figma, and Autodesk. I don't do this one, but maybe you know this, Miro, Figma, Figma, and Autodesk. Yeah, if it works for you, then good. But this one, I do not do it, like the collaboration on these platforms. So, how they can find you? When searching for lighting designers, it's crucial for clients to consider the designer's style, previous work, and expertise to ensure a good fit to their specific project. Communication is key, and clients should feel comfortable discussing their requirements and expectation with potential designers before making a decision. So, this is one of the skills that is not taught by most of the people, and you can easily learn it, but you don't consider it properly, is listening. Okay, you should know how to listen. Clients will tell you a lot of things. At the end of the conversation, they want you to design with a very cheap price. So listen, and listen before you talk. Keep on listening. It's also embarrassing if the client talk too much and you don't understand what they said. So yeah, communicate and listen.